Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Ghost 2 on an Audi RSQ3 2021. So a thief gets the key, goes to steal the vehicle. It's going to start and stall. There we go. I'll let them drive away. If they try again, it's just going to overcrank. So for the customer to drive this, ignition on with their foot off the brake, go for a push sequence of their choosing. We've left it nice and simple, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this video. We'll get a double flash from the indicators. Now foot on the brake, we can start. There you go, the vehicle's running. As you can see, it comes up with faults when it's stalled, but once it's started up, they clear. If the customer's taking this for a service, they have to press the service button. On this, it's the driver's window, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes from the indicators. This puts the system into service mode. So now, when it goes back to Audi, they just give them the key. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, the vehicle's just going to start up without a code. When you get it back, you're obviously going to want to turn the system on. So what you'll do, start the vehicle, then pop your push sequence in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get your usual double flash. There we go, that turns the system back on. So we'll turn the vehicle off, give it 30 seconds to set, and then we'll attempt to steal it without the code. Back 30 seconds later, it's been taken out of service mode, so foot on the brake like we're a thief, try start the vehicle. It's going to start, cut out. There we go. As you can see, the revs have dropped. So now, ignition on, go through our code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash, and now we can start. So ignition off and start. There we go, vehicle's running. If the customer wants to change the code on this Ghost, they'll ignition on, pop their code in to prove that it's them. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is just our demo code. Get our double flash. Now we'll place our foot all the way to the floor. Repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the indicators will start to flash. Now they're flashing, we can lift our foot and we can learn a new code. So we'll just go left, right, left, right. Every time we press a button, we'll get a flash. Now the code's complete, we'll get 3 flashes. 1, 2, 3. Now if I do the code one more time, left, right, we'll wait and we'll get 2 flashes to confirm that code. There we go, that's it changed. So now when the customer gets in the vehicle, ignition on with the foot off the brake, pop the new code in of left, right, receive a double flash, and now they can start the vehicle. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Ghost 2 system on a 2021 Audi RSQ3. Thanks for watching.